What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys a few of my favorite Dominican products. Okay, December 2012 I did a big chop. I cut my hair to my shoulders. I was using Dominican products at the time. I was eating really healthy and my hair grew like that, okay? But then I stopped and it ruined everything. December 2017, I chopped all my hair off, okay? I decided to start over. So I'm gonna insert a picture now. And I am now using all natural products, and this is a result of my growth since 2017. This is a year's growth, and I'm ready to retire the natural products because my hair grew so much with Dominican products. Let's get started on the products that I'm about to show you guys today. All right, so this is my bag, and this is the place I went to. It's called Dominican Power. All right, the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite things that I used the first time I cut my hair. I used this thing right here called CRECE PELO. CRECE PELO means grow your hair. This was like my holy grail when I was growing my hair the first time in 2012. This thing works so good. I bought the shampoo, I bought the conditioner, I bought the mask, I bought the leave-in, and I would use it all day, every day. The best part about this is the smell. Oh my God, I just have to smell it because it smells so good. Oh my God, oh my God. You guys, go into a beauty supply and open one of these. Just smell it. I promise you, you will take it just because it smells so good. All right, next product, because all I got from that was a leave-in. I only got a leave-in for now because I wanted to try new things. So let's go to the second thing that I bought. Okay, I bought this thing called MAYOLIVA, Más Omega 3. Terapia intensiva de acondicionamiento. Cabello seco y maltratado. This is olive conditioner with mayo. So this is for, basically they're saying dry and damaged hair for intensive therapy. I got the conditioner, I got the mask, it's like two different colors. I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can see. The mask. I'm gonna open it so you guys can see what it looks like. I got this little small conditioner. So that I have never tried. I hope it works. I actually have it in my hair. I have the conditioner in my hair right now. So I will update you guys with another hair video real soon because I always get asked about my hair. Like, oh my God, it's so nice, it's so curly. I'm gonna tell you guys my secret real soon. But this right here is for the private area. Dominican girls, oh, everybody knows about Lemisol. Lemisol is a product that all Dominican girls use or have used. But I'm gonna try this. It's liquid soap for the intimate area. It says pre-wet the intimate area, apply a small portion of guava sex and lather. Finally rinse with plenty of water. So this is only for the outside of your vagine. Oops. Guava sex. Everything on this, and I'll give a review on it and then, you know, we'll see. We'll go from there. Okay, this is silicone. This I've been using throughout my whole childhood. This is leave-in, and I always used the conditioner of this. It made my hair grow super fast. The silicone, it makes my hair grow, and for that reason I love it so much. Like, it's something that I've always kept in my hair regimen. This is BOTOX, and this is something my mom told me about. I didn't know about this. This right here is a conditioner, and what you do is you basically mix it with water and it turns into a mushy white conditioner consistency. I mean, what's that called? If you've ever used Pantene or Dove conditioner, you know that white consistency. That's what that looks, that's what that turned into. It smells so freaking good. I've been smelling my daughter's hair like all day. She's like, what are you doing, girl? I'm like, I'm your mom, shut up. I couldn't believe it was cheap. This was actually $4.99. That's something I forgot to do. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'll say the prices right now. So the silicone doesn't have a price. Cute. The Guava Sex, it was $9.99. This conditioner was $14.99. This doesn't have a price either, but I think I paid $5.99 or maybe less. I don't remember. It was $2.99.
Who the heck is calling me? Shoot.
Okay, you guys, I think I gave y'all the price on everything except this. This doesn't have the price on it either, but I believe if that was $14, this had to be like $7, $8. Find that receipt, okay? All right, you guys, next thing that I got that was $29.99, honey. Trivalent lotion stimulates the natural hair growth, balancing unbecoming trichological problems due to excessive oil and or dandruff. Because you can never have too much of these. Shower cap. That's all. This was $1.99, by the way. But I have one open because I did my daughter's hair yesterday. But
What's good, sis?
the last thing that I wanted to show you guys was a really cool thing, okay? I am against heat in general, but you know, on several occasions I wouldn't mind, you know, doing my hair. So my mom actually bought this for $50 at the beauty supply store. Ta-da! What y'all think this is? It's called Gold and Hot. And this, my friends, is a hair dryer, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys how you open this and how you use this. All right, so boom. Has a little compartment down here. This is the little compartment where the hat is. So I'm gonna take the hat out. Boom. You throw this little thing on, like so. Inside the compartment where the hat is, you'll find the plug.
I'm gonna plug it in.
You can close that right on up, but I'm just gonna leave it open right now. This area right here is what you connect to the hat. So you just turn it over and boom! Ain't that the business? Then you just connect it It ain't that hard. You could even do this without looking, okay? And you just put the thing next to you right there, wherever you at, and you turn that John on.
That's all it is. You could move around wherever you at. And yeah, that's all.
Off. You disconnect this again. You take the hat off. You unplug it. You roll that thing right back in there. When my mom brought this to the house, and I used to heat my hair. Do you know how excited I was? How excited I was. Then you just tuck this thing right back in. Just like you brought it out, you tuck it back in. Little by little. Trust me, it's easy. It ain't hard. You can do it fast, you can do it slowly, see? Tuck it in and twist it. It says cool, low, medium, high. This compartment in the bottom has the plug and the hat, and that is for the hat. And that's a hair dryer, you guys. It's pretty old, but I wanted to show it to you guys because a lot of you guys haven't seen things like this. But yes, if you live in the BX, you can get this in Fordham Road, okay? Everything else was from a store closer to me, Dominican Power. So you guys, that was the end of my haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you guys use Dominican products, which ones, and do you guys love them? If you want to see more of these hair videos. Okay, bye.